I don't want to miss this.
What's that?
I will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. Confringo.
Alert! Jet Eaters have attacked the Ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Arrest on momentum!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again.
We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning. Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives. There she goes!
Hickory will help.
Stupefy!
After her. We won't let you stop us this time. Run the
Find Umbridge!
You filthy!
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Stop, Miss! Incredible!
Now's the time turner's fault. Finish! Turner!
Don't upset her.
Too late for that. Watch out!
Hurry! Get to the time room!
Let's go! For the living space!
Now back to the time of Lord Voldemort. You're too late.
You can't use a broken time turner, Miss!
Nonsense.
Look what you've done!
The time room is breaking apart! Stupefy!
Get out of here! We'll deal with them!
I will have order. How dare you try to stop me?
No! Now Hickory has your wand!
You must not tell lies, Professor!
Order! Order!
Hand me.
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge, for your crimes you'll spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
This is an outrage.
Take her away!
You've done well, Hildy. Dolores and this lot will go to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all saved the Ministry. Thank you, friends.